Want to know how to make your voice sharper in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application and just simply import any file that you want. Just simply select file, select import and import any audio. Now, you can just simply double click to select the entire audio, or you can just drag and select a certain part of the track that is shown right here. Now, once it's selected your certain audio, just simply hit towards effect right here on top. Select pitch and tempo and then select change pitch. Make sure you do not select change speed and pitch since we want to increase our sharpness. Now, in order to increase your sharpness, we need to increase our pitch. So for that, just simply drag this slider to the right side. So here you can also see your semitones and more details. You can just change it manually as well. So for easiness, I suggest you go drag this a little bit up and then just simply select apply. And once that is done, you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.